Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea in Gag Easy Guide. Start by steeping 2 strong black tea bags in 2 cups boiling water for 5 minutes to make a bold concentrate. Remove bags, add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar while warm, and stir until dissolved. Let the concentrate cool slightly before moving to dilution and chilling steps for a crisp, refreshing iced tea. Once your concentrate is sweetened while warm, taste, and adjust to preference with honey or sugar. Add lemon slices or mint leaves for a fresh zing that pairs well with strong tea. If you prefer flavored teas, steep with citrus peels or a cinnamon stick for a cozy twist. Let flavors mingle briefly before chilling so the final iced tea is balanced and fragrant. Cool the concentrate to room temperature, then dilute with 3 parts cold water or adjust for stronger taste. Fill a tall glass with ice, pour the diluted tea over the ice, and stir to chill immediately. Add a lemon wheel or mint sprig for a bright finish and present with a straw or chilled pitcher for guests. Keep leftovers refrigerated and enjoy within 48 hours for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.